Alright, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can also connect the prototype of how did you hear about us. This is going to be similar to the previous tutorial. And in this case, we're not going to create all the screens again. We're going to make use of all the screen and update the text that are under the drop down. So let's begin with this. We're going to take it down to this side. And zoom out a bit. So here we start with the overlay, right? So we want, if the user click on this drop down here, should be able to have this overlay open and also be able to make their own selection. So what we're going to do here, then zoom in a bit. So we're going to select, go back to our prototype, then we select this drop down and connect it to this overlay. All right, so on tap to open overlay, and we want the overlay to open somewhere around here. So make sure you select manual as a position, then this will enable you to drag it and position it wherever you want to position it, like this. All right, so now we are done with that. Now the next thing, we want the user to select Twitter, and once the user select Twitter, they should be navigated to this page here, and here the how did you hear about us should be updated to Twitter. So we're going to change here to Twitter. Okay, and drag the text to this side. Make sure it's 20. All right, so we're done with that. Then let's connect more. Go back to Facebook, and this time let's connect the Facebook to go to our prototype. User click on Facebook, they should be directed to another screen that will have Facebook. So as is to this screen, then here we're going to select the drop down and update it to Facebook. Okay, and also bring it, go to your design system and also bring the text to the left while maintaining 20. All right, so we'll go back here again and select Instagram frame, then go to your prototype, and this time we'll connect the Instagram to the third screen. All right, so let's connect it to the third screen, this one. All right, so now on this third screen, we're going to update the text here. How did you hear about us too? Instagram. So this is going to be a random prototype, so just for you to spread the interactivity. So similarly, we are going to connect this back to also the overlay. Connect it back to the overlay. Yeah, back to the overlay, and enable the user to make another selection. The same thing, we're going to connect back the second one. This, let's connect it back to overlay, the selection overlay here. All right, and we are supposed to make sure it's positioned within the selection, within the frame, like this. Okay, this for Facebook, right? So the Facebook should be here. All right, then the first one, the same thing, we do it like that. Connect it back to the overlay here, and make sure the overlay is here. All right, so I think this overlay here, we didn't do it well, right? So we're going to do it this overlay. Then we don't have, right? Okay, we connected Instagram overlay. Where is it? Facebook overlay and that of Twitter overlay. All right, that's fine. Then let's connect one more. This one I might not be able to do all, so we just connect the last one, which is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp should go to the fourth page, which is the fourth page here, which is this one here. Okay, and also change the about how they hear about us to WhatsApp. All right, and some design system. I also take the text back to 20, and we're gonna change this to medium. All right, and the text black back, just to the same thing, black. All right, then we'll go there, Facebook and that of Twitter too, select it too, and also update the text. So you can do it manually, one after the other, to dark, and this Twitter too to dark. Alright, so I think we are done with that so far. So let's zoom out and go and check the prototype and see whether it's working. So select your screen 2 again and preview it, and let's see whether it's working now. So here, business, you can enter business name and they can select drop down, and here you can also select Twitter. So everything is working perfectly now. So and here you can select WhatsApp, and we have to show it's running back. All right, so that is how you can connect that. There are more options remaining inside the frame, so follow the similar procedures we use in the first step method to connect all. So use the same procedures to connect the remaining one. So we are done with the sign up screen. So in the next lecture we're going to design the login screen. See you in the next lecture.